Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video showing you RevitSHARE, the Revit to SharePoint integration tool. RevitSHARE is a plugin for Revit, allowing you to store, retrieve, update and manage all your organisation's Revit files within your SharePoint repository. The RevitSHARE tool is available as a ribbon at the top of Revit. The Open button provides a quick search tool allowing you to type a full or partial file name to quickly search for any Revit file in your SharePoint system, to then easily and quickly open that file. There's also a new file search tool which allows you to find files using multiple criteria such as author, file name, file size, purpose and any attached comments. Once open, you can check out the Revit file so that it's editable by you and read-only for all other users. Once open, make your changes to the file, and then at the end of the day, simply check in the file to upload the changes back to SharePoint. The check-in process uses a version control system where each file is incrementally versioned with comments being added to reflect the changes you've made. The RevitSHARE ribbon also provides a properties button which allows you to view and edit the properties of any Revit file, enabling users to ensure the metadata in SharePoint is kept up to date. Using the versions tool, users can view existing and previous versions of the same Revit files, choosing to roll back and restore any previous version of the file. Finally, RevitSHARE is supported by an online user guide, providing help for all the tools available in the RevitSHARE ribbon.